It's really covering art fundamentals for games, VFX and animation. It's about the core principles of game design, level design, character design, animation, texturing, the whole remit of games creation we cover on the course, which is fantastic. And then we also get into animation skills, using keyframe animations in tools like 3ds Max and Maya and Blender as well, and how to import those animations into engines like Unity and Unreal Engine. We get into high-level programming languages, C++, we get into Unreal Engine blueprints as well for a more visual approach to programming and development. And then we also get into the more sort of creative side of 3D content creation, which includes 3D modeling, texturing, animation, environment creation, all of those kind of really interesting creative elements to a game creation.
The college offers trips to different countries and giving different work experiences.
On a part of my course, I went abroad to Seville. I learned more about myself in Seville.
We got to feel how it felt to be independent and taking care of ourselves.
It taught me how to budget. I really enjoyed it. The scenery. I think it was a nice change of pace from London.
I was able to learn a bit more Spanish, interact with the culture, learn the history, and I also worked with a Blender sculptor, learning about all the different tools and brushes.
I've learned how to code.
We did games design.
I would recommend you 100% go.
I think it's really awesome that I was able to do this.
It's a perfect springboard into the world of academia, whether it's at university level, studying games or games design. You can even move into non-gaming topics like architecture, motorsport. The great thing is that gaming tech is used across all industries now to help to design, engineer, market and sell pioneering products and services out in the world beyond academia. You can quite easily go into the world of work. It could be in a game studio, a VFX house, animation studio. And the great thing with gaming technology is super transferable across all industries. We make sure that all the students get to grips with the full remit of software tools to equip them to really sort of make those informed choices with regards to next steps in life. If you have an interest in anything 3D related, anything animation or VFX related, if you've got an interest in how gaming tech is used beyond gaming, this is the right course for you essentially. It's a no-brainer.